We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fictional cosmic entity created by writer HP Lovecraft and first introduced in the short story called The Call of, well, that word. Essentially, most people say it either Cthulhu or KATOOLU. There is a great complete video explaining precisely why none of these pronunciations are the ones that author HP Lovecraft himself would have used. And I definitely recommend watching that entire video if you want to learn more about it, but it takes about 6 minutes to understand in that video. Still, I'll link to it at the end of this video. But the short answer is that this word ought to be pronounced KHLOOLOO. 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 So now you know how to say KHLOOLOO properly, and you can always send anyone who says otherwise to this very video or that other video right here. Cheers!